Greetings, fellow Ghanaians. My name is Dr. William Brace. I'm here to present the reason why I think there's a need to vote me into the presidency. I have lived in Finland for the past 26 years, and I've been a passionate and paying member of the Ghana Union for over 25 years. I'm well integrated into the Finnish society, and I have contacts in very high places. I believe that these two are very crucial for moving Ghana Union forward, because we live in the Finnish society whereby knowing your way around and having contacts is very useful for Ghana Union. I possess a lot of knowledge, both old and new. And then I have vast experience too. So all this combined, I want to use it to push the Ghana Union from the status quo into a new start. Over the years, we have seen a number of sub-unions and religious groups who has been formed, and together with the Ghana Union, they have been successfully and positively fostering relationship, promoting unity and the Ghanaian culture, helping one another. Ghana Union has done it big, but in my opinion, it is not up to the optimum, simply because we have in Finland over 1,500 Ghanaians, but for the union, the paying members for the union is not even up to 300. So imagine if we are able to even make it that we have around 500 paying members. That will generate a lot of revenue, which will then reflect on our finances, our businesses, and our social aspects. I have seen these issues, and these are some of the things that I intend to correct or push forward when when I'm voted as the president. So this is my vision and changes I'm proposing for Ghana Union. The first is to enhance the social aspect of the union. Second one is introducing a business aspect into the union. And the third is enhancing our finances. This all reflects into unity, accountability, credibility, and progress. So how do I enhance the social aspect of the Ghana Union? Let's take unity for instance. I know the subgroups has been successful in uniting most Ghanaians. I will consult with them and use their achievements for pushing the Ghana Union agenda. Okay. I will also reform our communication. We all know that we have a WhatsApp platform, but it is restricted for only announcement, and only few can use it. Of course, we have Omagana platform, which was created so that everybody can post there, and then we do debates and everything. But that one too has been reduced to political agenda and debates and the rest. What I will do is that we will create a WhatsApp group, or we will sanitize the existing one. But of course, we have to leave people to express their political agenda and everything. So we create another WhatsApp group so that people can put information there, which about their grievances, achievements, and everything. Another issue here is transparency and accountability. The leadership, everything that they will do, we will put it on WhatsApp so that the whole community will know and judge them for whatever they are doing. We are going to vet the leadership. Also planning. We'll use, from all these topics, we'll get out the proper information, siphon them, analyze them, and use them for the betterment of Ghana Union. The third point I want to bring about is improving our social activities, like organization of parties. There are always this issue with lateness and long talking point. We are going to change this attitude. First, what we will need to do is to study the working pattern of most Ghanaians in Finland here. And then through that, we will know exactly when we need to start a party that everybody is able to come. And also, we will entice the organizers not to be late, to organize the party very well and on time. The next issue is enhancing the financing of Ghana Union. We all know that our main source of income is paying dues. But then we are not giving the paying members the right incentives to pay the dues. This is what we will do. We will create the incentives. For instance, during parties and the rest, we put up a stand whereby members can pay their dues, and then we also register new members at the same time. The same thing is that we will create a mechanism that will increase the awareness of how people should pay the dues. Also, another issue is that we will try to create a goof fund, meaning that I'll consult some elders and finished contacts that I know, that they can contribute into that fund. Also, we will discuss among ourselves how we can put some fund for that to create a good fund. Somehow, this fund will be used. We will use it to generate more fund. We'll do investment with it and then use it. For instance, if somebody needs help or something, that we can borrow the money or give it for the person to progress in whatever he or she is doing. Another important issue is introducing a business aspect into the union. We will create business initiatives. I know over the years we have been trying very hard to do it, create some business aspect to get more funds and everything. But what we will do when I'm voted as the president, that I will initiate a business venture. In this sense, I know, for instance, Finns believe in established institutes. So one thing that we can do is that there are a lot of Ghanaians having businesses and everything. We can create an umbrella that they can bring all their businesses under it so that they will get publicity, and then we will also try to find Finnish partners for them if that is needed. Okay, we'll create an outlet so that there will be awareness of all the business ventures in Ghana. Members can advertise their ideas, and then we will also help to identify partners. Of course, whatever we are doing, we will take some fees so that we are increasing our fund and everything. And then one issue that I have seen is that there is a company here in Finland, which is the main business is helping visitors who are going to Ghana and of course other countries to collect visa. This can be done by we Ghanaians. The Ghana Union can champion it. So we can create our own visa service. And one other issue is that we Ghanaians are sending money all the time to Ghana and the rest. We can find a way how we can streamline that through the Ghana Union. There are all forms of ideas for business and everything. So we will open it up that Ghanaians will bring ideas and we try to utilize them. Leading and representing Ghana Union needs motivation, dedication, and a person with high integrity to move it to the next level. Okay, I'm quite motivated, and now I think it's the time for me to bring my contribution to the Ghana Union. I'm quite dedicated towards the vision and changes that I have put down here. So on the 15th of February, please come and vote for William Brace for Ghana Union President. Thank you and God bless.